Hey everyone, this is the in-studio tutorial for Bruno Mars's Runaway Baby. Let's break it down. First starts with a little grapevine to the right. We go 1, 2, 3. Tap left foot 4, tap right 6, tap left 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now on those taps, we're going to throw our arms up in the air 3 times, opposite of the foot that's being tapped. So it starts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next section. What we're going to do now is we are going to pony to the front. We're going to step on that right foot, step back to the left, pony right, pony left. Arms go front, back, side, side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That repeats 4 times. Then of course we're going to run it up. 4 runs. We go 1, 2, 3, 4. Arms go 5, 6, 7, 8. Optional turn there. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then just the feet go step, together, step, together, step, together, step, together. Just showing the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. With the arms go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Little punch back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Up to tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then after we do that twice, we're going to take a little turn to the right. 1, 2, 3. Back into those heels. 6, 7, 8. Turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The only change there, other than the turn, is we're going to add some of these rolled down with our arms. Right? So as it turns, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Little tap. Run in place for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 jumping jacks. 5, 6, 7, 8. High cardio song. So we used to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whole therapy from the left. We start. 1, 2, 3, heel with opposite punches. 1, 2, 3, heel. 1, 2, 3, heel. 1, 2, 3, heel. There comes that pony, left foot. Left foot this time. This side. Arms go front, back, side, side, front, back, side, side. 4 times right up and back chorus running. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, punch, 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 punch. Now we have a little tag in the middle. It's going to slow down after that. Jump and jump on the second time through. We have little taps with the feet. Starts with the left foot. We have a little tap, 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 tap. Arms wherever you like. Tap, tap. After you inflate it. 6 claps. Start with the left. We go 1, clap, clap, clap. 1 more time. Clap. Step on the foot. 5. We're going to hop around kicking 6, 7, 8. Step on the right foot down. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1 more time. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Left tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time to the left, and we go right back in that chorus. Run it up. Take it around. Hips and arms. Pop it back with that punch. Ta, ta. Back into that roll. Side. 3 heels. And side. Turn. Heel. 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 And it finishes with in place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's it. Get the cardio up, let's try with music.